Hi, I'm Drew Dumas, the head repair tech at Tapestry Music in White Rock, British Columbia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sound on a flute, how to put it together, and how to play your first 5 notes. Let's start with making a sound on the head joint. So this is the head joint, and there's 2 holes in the head joint, one at this end and one in the lip plate. We're going to blow into the lip plate. But first I want to show you how to make a sound on a pop bottle. So to make a sound on a pop bottle, you're going to place it on your lower lip and take a big full breath and blow across the hole. So to put together the flute, we're going to start by taking the head joint out of the case in our left hand, and we're going to take the body of the flute out of the case and put it in our right hand. We'll put the head joint into this end of the flute where the name of the flute is. We're going to, with a gentle twisting and sliding motion, put it into the receiver until it's almost all the way in. You might be able to see a little bit of this different color sticking out of the receiver. That's a good thing. There's also usually an arrow on the top of the receiver. If we line that up with the logo on the head joint, we know that we've aligned that properly. Some brands of flutes don't have a logo on the head joint, so what you'll want to line up with that arrow is the hole in the lip plate. The last thing to do is take the foot joint out of the case in our right hand, moving the rest of the flute into our left hand. With a gentle twisting and pushing motion, we're going to slide the foot joint on, and you want the post of this key to be about in the middle of this key here on the end. On some brands of flutes, you'll have an arrow on either joint that you can line up. And that's the flute fully assembled and ready to play. So to place the head joint correctly, you're going to pretend like you are kissing the lip plate, and then roll it outwards until the hole in the lip plate is towards the ceiling. So to play the flute, you'll need to master the 3-point anchoring system. And those 3 points are the side of our forefinger on our left hand, our pinky finger on our right hand, pressing on the E flat key, and our chin and bottom lip pressing on the lip plate. With that system in place, this is what it looks like. I'm pushing towards myself with this anchoring point. I'm pushing away from myself with this anchoring point, and this is where it's resting from the backwards pressure. Just like this. So the first note we're going to play on the flute is an F, and it sounds like this. So the fingering to play an F, which is our first note, we're going to use the first finger, thumb, second finger, third finger on our left hand, and the first finger on our right hand, and that looks like this. We're also going to have our pinky on our right hand pressed for that anchoring point. F sounds like this. Our second note is an E flat, and to play that note we're going to start with the same fingering that we used for an F, and we're going to add our third and fourth fingers on our right hand, press these keys down. We're also going to keep our pinky pressed, just like we did for the F, on that E flat key. We're going to keep that pressed. E flat sounds like this. The third note we're going to play is a D. This is quite similar to the E flat we just learned. The only thing we're going to do is lift our pinky finger on our right hand, and we're ready to play a D. The fourth note we're going to play is a C. To play C, we're going to lift all of our fingers except the pinky on our right hand is going to stay pressed, and then we're going to press the first finger on our left hand, and then we're ready to play a C. C sounds like this. The last note we're going to learn how to play is a B flat. We're going to start with the same fingering we just learned for the C, and we're going to add B key on the back, which is this one, and then we're also going to use on our right hand our first finger, which you'll notice not only moves these keys down here, but it also moves this one up here. This is going to give us the B flat. B flat sounds like this. Congratulations, you are now a professional flautist, and you can rent your flute online at tapestreammusic.com.